Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting video lined up for you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss an update from our channel.
Guys, in this video, we will be learning what is continuous statement in Python, why we use and how we can implement continuous statement. We will be covering 2 points: continuous statement with for loop, continuous statement with while loop. Before starting any implementation, we have to understand the requirement. Let's say we have one employee list wherein one specific employee name we want to exclude from our list, the final output list. So then we can use continuous statement, right? We can see this with an example. We are going to create one employee list, then last mark. So these are the employee names. We'll be applying a first for loop e in employee. We are now checking with if condition. If e equals to Anthony, then we want this name to be excluded, right? We want our execution reaches to the next iteration, right? This is the continue and else print. We are saying have employee name. Very simple. Now let's run the program. If you see the output, wherever Anthony comes in, this continue statement worked, right? It actually skipped this next block and started the iteration from the next index, right? When it comes to John, then it is checking, okay, this John is not equals to Anthony, then it printed the statement. When it comes to Anthony, okay, this condition is true, then it skipped the further execution and then reaches to this next iteration, okay. It did not print any of the line in case of this name, okay. Then it comes to Harris, Harris is printed. Then it again comes to Anthony, okay, skip the execution and started the next iteration from Mark, right? That's why this output is printed and Anthony name is not there in this list. This is the one example of using continuous statement with for loop. Now let's see how we can use it with while loop. Okay, the list is the same, or we will keep this as it is, and let me take index equals to 0 for iterating, for maintaining the index of the list. We are saying total number of records, how many records we have. We are going to use one length function to get the total number of employees in the list, okay. Then while we are saying if index is less than records, the loop keeps running, okay. And then we are checking if employee in the index in this script, the current iteration, this time we can say Paul, okay. If this is Paul, in this case we have to say index 1, okay, and we are going to skip the execution if it is Paul. Otherwise we are going to print the employee name same as here. Instead of e we are saying employees index, okay. And then we have to increase the index with 1. Very simple program. Let's run the program again. Now it will show you the Anthony name as well in this list, but the Paul would not be there, okay. It started with John, but Paul is not there. Let me make it separate, okay. It is for breaking the line, new line, right. This is the first output using for loop, and this is the second using the while loop. If you see, it started with John, Anthony, Harris, and it skipped Paul, right? Because we have put the different condition here. This time it skipped Paul and Anthony is displayed. All rest employees are as it is. Okay, the program is very simple. This is continuous statement with while and for loop.
That brings us to the end of the today's video. We hope you found it informative and engaging. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on all things tech related. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.